Hello and welcome to the first video in the Development Tools series titled Checkboxes. If you haven't done so already, please download the Development Tools Excel file available in the tutorial. Make sure that it is open and you should see pretty much what you see here. A whole bunch of values in column A. Then we have checkboxes, option boxes, list boxes, and combo boxes. Okay, these are all the four development tools that we're going to be covering in this entire series, but this video in particular is just looking at just checkboxes. So if you want to make a checkbox in Excel, you have to make sure that first the development tools is activated. Alright, by default development tools is not activated, which I think is a shame, but in order to make it activated, you look up here where it says Home Insert Page, and if it was activated, maybe your version is, you'd have Development Tools right there. If the Development Tools is not already activated, alright, it just takes a couple of clicks to get it going. So we're going to start at that point here, and we go up to make sure that your mouse is within this blue section, alright, next to the word View. Alright, make sure it's not over top of View as well, or else you'll get an undesirable result. And I'm going to right click, go to Customize Quick Access Toolbar, and I'm going to click that. And then, by default, mine's set to Customize, but that might not be yours. But either way, go to Popular. And then there's an option right here, and we're going to go Show Developer tab in the ribbon. All right. Once you've done that, hit OK. And there we go. The Developer Tool tab is now active. All right, and I can now click on it. So I click on it. All right, and I want to insert a checkbox. Okay, click that. And I'm just going to put it right next to the title. Here's my checkbox. All right, so at this point, I can check my box. All right, checkbox 1. And if you want to use the result in that checkbox 1, click on the word checkbox, not in the box, but on the word. Right click on the box to get this border. Alright, go down to Format Control. And in this Format Control, we have this thing called Cell Linking. I link it to E2. I hit OK, and I hit OK. Now, if I go to check it, it is checked, so it is true. If I check it as false, and I can use this result in, say, an if equation to say that if this result is true, do a certain action. Maybe you calculate the average or total up the sum of all these numbers or whatever. So if you want more than one checkbox, you can do that. Just keep clicking and keep going. But remember that each checkbox is by itself. Alright, you can have both active if I want or not. In our next video, we're going to be looking at option boxes, and this is where option boxes really differ. If you have any questions, just email a teacher. Thank you.